Hey guys, with the BTN quizzes, I know they're a little bit tricky at the moment, but this video should help clear it up. We've made it a little bit easier for you. So today, you're going to have a BTN quiz. What I need you to do, you're going to go to classwork. When you're in classwork, you will find the quiz, it says here. When you click on that, you're going to view the assignment. Whoops. You're going to click view the assignment. And then it's going to open it up like this. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this link here. This link is going to take you to the BTN episode. So if I click on that, there's the episode ready to go. This link down here is going to take you to the quiz. You will fill the quiz out and right at the bottom you will press submit, just like I've showed you before. Once you finish that, you should have been taking notes on one of the topics so that you can write a report, and you're going to write your report in this task. So you're going to click add or create. You're going to go to create a new doc, and in here it's going to open up a document ready for you to work in. And once that loads, we'll be able to click on that and you can start typing your report. So I'm going to say BTN episode 9 report. You would type in your report down there, and when you're happy with your report, you will click turn in. Once you've turned it into your teacher, they will be able to provide feedback for you, and that way we will have the results of your quiz as well as your report all in one space. So you will click turn in, and then you know that you've finished. So once you've clicked submit on your quiz and you've turned in your report here, you finish the BTN tasks for this week. Hopefully that's a little bit easier for you guys.